Hello guys, you can call me Grace, and I am here just recording myself. Uh, and the purpose of this is that it's just for me to doing this kasi makes me communicating. It can enhance my communication as well as my speaking English skills. So I've done this before, but I've stopped. Then now I want to focus on improving myself again and enhancing my skills and capabilities and gaining new skills. So I am a Filipina, and yeah, this is my first video, and I'm gonna upload this. So, and I don't know what should be the topic ko ngayon, but siguro about life. So I'm currently still a student, and I just realized na the world in the school and in after the school is really different, because after school is you need to make money, to make opportunities for yourself, to gain money for bills and responsibilities, like electricity and dreams, like you want to give your mother and father some free trip, such things like that. And ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin na parang it's it's na parang i-big deal yung mag-work and mag-sideline and tawag dyan, yung open yourself to a new environment, and mag-learn ka ng mga another set of skills mo, kasi ngayon in today's generation, di ba, marami talagang into online industry because it's easy talaga makamake ng money doon, and that's one na yung inaaral ko talaga, and hopefully this will make me one factor na maging successful. So yun, today is May 9, 2025. And yun, naisip ko lang kasi may bine-work ako about something like generation of image. Then I've got bored because kanina pa ako dito, mga how many hours na, I think 3 to 5 hours, ganun. And parang naglolo ko yung app. So I've decided, nag-came up lang sa aking mind na why not mag-video na ako, kasi yun, I just want to share na even though you are still a student, try to learn new skill every day. After, for example, if matagal ma-learn ang isang skill, then you can learn it like weeks or months. Then after learning it and mastering it, then go learn another skill, because I've learned na in the future, after natin mag-graduate talaga, skill talaga yung hinahanap in any industry pa man. Skill and talent and mindset as well. So you need to have a great mindset and a positive mindset, and you should also have some yung makipag-socialize ka sa people. So dapat marunong ka yan, kasi it's one of the really basic needs in work, in anything, even though sa school. So ang pag-socialize talaga is one of main yung parang main advantage mo para magkaroon ka ng connection with other people, like ganun. So, first is, yun nga, mag-learn ka ng skills. Even though matagal siya i-learn ang skill, if na-learn mo na siya, you can then proceed naman ikaw sa next na pwede mong ma-learn na skill. Kasi, it's, like, don't waste time sa any things na parang hindi ka makabenefit